Chinese remainder theorem. Good morning everyone. Today we will be exploring the Chinese remainder theorem, an important concept in number theory with powerful applications in cryptography and network security. Let's dive in and understand how it works and why it's so valuable. What is a Chinese remainder theorem? The Chinese remainder theorem, or CRT, is a method used to solve systems of simultaneous congruences with different moduli. It allows us to find a unique solution under certain conditions. This is especially useful in computations involving large numbers, such as in RSA encryption. Basic form of CRT. Suppose we have a set of equations like x a mod m, x a mod m, and so on. If all the moduli m, n are pairwise coprime, CRT guarantees a unique solution modulo the product m is equal to m asterisk m star asterisk mn. How CRT works, step by step. To solve using CRT, we compute the total product m. For each modulus mi, compute mi is equal to m mi. Find the modular inverse of mi modulo mi. Multiply each ai asterisk mi asterisk inverse and sum them up. The final answer is the sum modulo m. CRT example. Let's consider x2 mod 3, x3 mod 5, x2 mod 7. Here, the moduli 3, 5, and 7 are pairwise coprime. Using CRT, we can find a unique solution modulo 105, which is the product of 3, 5, and 7. CRT in cryptography. CRT is used to optimize computations in public key crypto systems like RSA. Instead of performing operations on large numbers directly, we break them down using smaller moduli, perform calculations faster, and then reconstruct the result using CRT. Limitations of CRT. Thank you. Thank you for your attention. I hope this helped you understand the Chinese remainder theorem and its application in cryptography.